Hello and welcome to ninth grade Honors English. This is our first video and I'm just going to talk about how the course works in terms of the layout on PowerSchool and how it works for people at home who are flexing and people who are here at school. As you can see, we have a bunch of tabs here on our left. As you click on these, it'll take you to different pages. If you're at school, if you click on this week, it'll bring up what we're doing this week per day. Also, we'll have assignments and other items that we'll have to attend to this week. If you're at home and flexing, you can click on Flex Learners and you'll see the Flex Master form where you can cut and paste the information for your portfolio. You can see here where you can use the link to gain access to our class. I'll be live streaming at minimum audio during the class. You'll be able to hear what I say. I'll direct you to specific things on the page as you are guided through the course. I'll try my best to stream video of what I'm showing on the screen, but bandwidth might prohibit that. So you can just follow along with me. So what we're going to be doing today is predominantly looking at the course homepage. We'll read through these specific things. We'll also talk about what's coming up this week. So follow along if you're at home. In class, we'll be able to do it together. We do have some summer reading coming up, but I do want to talk to you all about how it's going, if you've been able to get the reading done, and how we can work together to make sure we have a successful first assessment. So I look forward to class. Talk to you soon.